Ekenem gị ahụike wara gị ọjị. Please, this is a continuation of my last video. Please watch, subscribe and share. Also, keduka means how. Keduka. How. Keduka. How. Kedu ka o si mee? How did it happen? Kedu ka isi aga? How are you going? Basically, what is your itinerary? Kedu etu. This my marker is giving me wahala. Kedu etu esi Kedu etu esi ofe? How is soup cooked? Kedu etu esi ofe? How is soup? Sorry, not kedu etu. Kedu ka. Kedu ka esi ofe? How is soup prepared? How is soup cooked? It could also be kedu ka udi ha ga-esi. How can. This could also mean how can. How can this happen? Ke ka ọ ga-esi mee? How can this happen? How can it happen? Ke ka ọ ga-esi mee? How can it happen? How can it happen? Now, kedu ka ọ ga-esi mee? Kedu ka ọ ga-esi mee? This could mean two things. How will it happen or how can it happen? How will it happen? How can it happen? This sentence can mean two things. Kedu ka ọ ga-esi mee? How will it happen? You can use this too. Me. How does it happen? How will it happen? How can it happen? Can you say that? Kedu ka ọ ga-esi mee? How will it happen? How can it happen? Is that clear? Good. Let's go on. Now, kedu mgbe means when. Kedu oge also means when. Kedu mgbe means when. Kedu, so it could be kedu mgbe or kedu oge. Oge is time, mgbe is time. Kedu mgbe, kedu oge. Now I could say kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa? What time will you come? When are you coming? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa? I could remove mgbe and replace with oge. They are the same thing. You can use them interchangeably. Kedu oge ị ga-abịa? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-ala? When are we going home? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-ala? When are we going home? Do you get that? Now remember that I said in place of kedu you could use ole. Do you get it? In place you can just say ole mgbe ị ga-abịa. Ole oge ị ga-abịa. Ole oge ị ga-abịa. Ole oge ị ga-abịa. So you could just, you cannot learn, because at times when you teach people Igbo especially, they feel overwhelmed. They feel they're not grasping it like they will grasp other languages. Listen, It is patience and constant practice. And when you learn it, I tell you, you will not like to stop speaking Igbo because Igbo is very sweet. Okay, we go over to the next one. Kedu ebe. Kedu ebe. Where? Kedu ebe. Where? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? We have kedu ihe. Kedu ihe is what? Kedu ihe. Ihe. Kedu ihe is what? I don't know why this marker has stopped writing all of a sudden. Kedu ihe is what? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? You can say ole ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Ole ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị ga-eme? Kedu ihe ị ga-eme? What will you do? Ị ga, what will you do? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị ga-eme? What will you do? Okay, what else? Kedu ụzọ. Kedu ụzọ. Which way? Which road? Kedu ụzọ. Where is the road? Kedu ụzọ. Which way? Where is the road? Kedu ụzọ. Ụzọ means road or way. Which way? Where is the road? Now, there is something important. Which. I did not even add it here. Which. Which. This is how you express which. Kedu nke means which. Which. Kedu nke. Which. So, kedu nke ọ bụ, which one is it? Kedu nke ọ bụ. You hear anything to say, nke ọ. Kedu nke ọ bụ. Which one? In English, you say, which one? But here, kedu nke ọ bụ. This one means is. It. Together they mean which. Which one is it? Basically, which one? Do you get it? Kedu nke ọ bụ. Which one? Kedu ụzọ ọ bụ. Which road? So, kedu ụzọ ọ bụ. This kedu could mean which, it could mean how, it could mean what. It could also be used to ask where. Do you get it? So I told you that this could mean a lot of things that Guinea can mean and more. Is that clear enough now? Kedu nke ọ bụ. Which one? Kedu onye ọ bụ. Which person? Kedu ụzọ ọ bụ. Which road? Kedu nke. Which. Kedu onye ọ bụ. Kedu nri ọ bụ. Which food? Kedu nri ọ bụ. Which food? So basically, this means which, depending on the context. Kedu nri ọ bụ. Which food is it? What food is it? Kedu nri ọ bụ. Kedu onye ọ bụ. Who? Which person? Kedu ụzọ ọ bụ. Which road? Kedu nke ọ bụ. Which one? Did you get that? Please remember to practice. And I want to ask you something. Have you subscribed to this channel? If not, why not? Please go ahead and subscribe and share. Give this video a massive thumbs up. This encourages me to continue to film, to make videos like this. So this is where I will end this video. I will see you in my next one. Kemesia.